Today's sunrise is going to be beautiful. We say on the coast and on the shore, but at the beach. I'm meeting my friends at the beach, meaning in the general vicinity. Most of the time we use at for beach, but sometimes we use on when referring to the sand as a surface. We wanted to get in the water, but it's really cold, so we decided to warm up by running on the beach. Finally, we got in the water. Well, not all of us. Leo doesn't like the water, so she waited for us on the beach. This is a shout out to the winter sunrises on the northern coast of Spain.